Namaste and welcome everyone. Let us start with this exciting series where we will explore the many exciting careers in psychology. Our aim is to guide students and parents to understand the real opportunities beyond just traditional paths. And so today we begin with our very first guest, Dr. Soumya Suresh Vasudev. Welcome, Dr. Soumya, and thank you so much for sparing your time for this interview. Let me just introduce Dr. Soumya first of all. Dr. Soumya is an industrial and organizational psychologist with a PhD in psychology and over a decade of experience shaping workplace strategy. She is a seasoned HR advisor for ex co leaders. She specializes in assessments, employee listening, and behavioral nudges. Through her platform at rate Ask Dr. Soumya, she empowers Gen Z and millennials to navigate careers, build workplace well-being, and grow with confidence. That is so impressive, Dr. Soumya. And thank you for joining us today. So,
Thank you,
since
Dr. Radha, for inviting me, and it's an absolute pleasure to spend some time with you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. First, simplest question is, Dr. Soumya, like, what does an organizational psychologist do, first of all, in simple language?
So, IO psychology is the scientific study of working and the applications of psychology principles to workplace issues faced by individuals, teams, and organizations. So, what I do is we study people at work and help companies hire the right talent, keep employees motivated, design fair employee policies, and make workplaces healthier and exceedingly productive.
Great. Okay, that's great. Yes. So, what kind of a child, in terms of skills, interests, or personality, usually thrives in this area?
So, children or students who are curious about people, who are
Hmm.
good at planning, executing, strategizing, very good problem solvers, who are empathetic, who are patient listeners, who enjoy teamwork, and have an interest in both psychology and business.
Okay. Okay, that's great. Yeah, because parents would really want to know what are the skills which a child should have to go in for this particular field. Yes. So, moving on, like, what academic path should parents help their child choose after class 10?
See, I took up commerce because I was interested in the business side of things. But I would say any stream is fine. But if you have a stream in psychology available in the school, choose that first. Do for after your 12th, do an honors program in psychology. So do a BA or a BSc in psychology from a reputed institution.
Okay.
Then pursue a master's in IO psychology. And then if you can take it up a notch, do a PhD in IO psychology as well.
Yes, like you have done. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So, can you just name a few colleges, like Dr. Soumya, like where these courses are available? That would be really helpful.
In India, look out for old universities of repute. For example, Delhi University, University of Mumbai, Bangalore University, University of Kerala, University of Madras, Banaras Hindu University,
Okay.
let's say even Jamia Millia Institute
Mhm.
and the TIS Institute. These are all old institutes. So typically, old
Yes.
institutions will have a very mature psychology department, and they
Okay.
will definitely offer a
Mhm.
master's and a PhD program in IO psychology in India.
Okay. Okay. So, like, suppose a child does not go in for a graduation degree in this, can the child do post graduation?
It might depend on the university. Certain universities will have an entrance exam while you're applying for a master's program. So if you
Yeah.
don't know your basics, you may not be able to crack the entrance
Yes.
exam. So it's
Yes.
always better to do an honors program like a BA or a BSc in psychology if you're serious in
Yeah,
pursuing
yeah, that is
a
actually
career in.
always better. Yes, yes. Okay. So, like, which companies mostly hire organizational psychologists?
So in India currently, large corporates in the space of IT, banking,
Mhm.
FMCG,
Oh,
all
okay.
consulting firms like Accenture, Deloitte, EY, PwC hire psychologists. A
Okay.
lot of startups and HR tech firms are always hiring IO psychologists. And a
Mm-hmm.
lot of research institutions also require psychologists on board in this with the
Oh,
specialization of IO psychology. Yeah.
okay. So that means it has a lot of scope, I guess.
Yes, in India it does currently. Basically, students who are interested in pursuing this field, I would suggest reach out and speak to other IO psychologists in India, see what
Yes.
their journey has been like, do a
Yes.
little bit of market research to see what are the kind of pay packages available, and then take an
Mm-hmm.
informed decision.
Can this career lead to international opportunities as well for a student?
Definitely, definitely. If you have an advanced degree in IO psychology, then you can land jobs in US, UK, Europe.
Wow.
Middle East is hiring big time, and
Yes.
also Australia. But yes, an advanced degree in IO psychology would help you get those places. And the
Yeah.
pay is
Yeah.
exceedingly good as well.
Okay. Like, yes, I would really like to thank Dr. Soumya for sparing this time and getting us informed about industrial or organizational psychology network. It was really great listening to her. If you have any other questions related to the particular field, you can definitely post it in your in the comment section. We will always be there to answer you. And with this, we would take a leave from this session, and we'll definitely meet next week once again on the Wednesday with one different field of psychology, once again, one different specialization for you all. So, thank you so much.